Welcome back. Since we have the ability to create images with ChatGPT, we can go into our tools. We can create an image and upload it to Sora. So in this case, we're going to click on Picture, and we're going to ask for ChatGPT to create a picture. And we're going to now click Enter, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to create our image. And ChatGPT has now created the image. What we can do is we can then click on top of this image if we want to edit the image. But in this case, we're going to assume that we do like this image. So now what we can do is we're going to download the image. We're now going to go to Sora, and we're going to upload the image. The Sora will require that going to show you where the image is going to be drawn from. What we're going to do is we're going to ask Sora to create our image. We're going to ask for two variations, and this is going to take us 50 credits. And it appears that we do have 234 credits left, and we're going to create our video. And if you are in your dashboard, Sora will tell you the progress of the video here in this area. And so what you're going to see are going to be two variations of the video, and we're going to choose one of those videos to go forward in order to use in our collection. And we're going to take one of these globes, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to see if we can get the AI to zoom out to see the entire globe. So we're now going to click on Remix and describe some changes. In this case, we're going to use one variation, and this is going to cost us 25 credits. So we're now going to click Remix. We're going to leave it a strong remix, so we're going to try to see if we can get the AI in order to remix the video. We're now going to head out to the dashboard so we can follow the progress. And we can see the progress on our new project. And we can now click on our new notification to see our image. And what you're going to see now is that Sora is going to give us a choice again. And we're going to choose the one that we like best. In this case, we're going to say that we like the one on the left best. And we're going to keep that video for our purposes. So you can start with an image and you can upload that image to Sora in order to create a video from that image. And that is what we have done in this case. We attempted to try to get the video to appear more like the other ones that we have. However, now that we have the video, we're going to take the video and we're going to put it in our collection. We're going to click on top of the video. We're going to go to the ellipsis, and we're going to add the video to our collection. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.